shop is somewhere here.
Dead. I'm so dead.
My teeth are white.
So I'm happy.
Make a vine, make it viral, and then give me some of your product.
Say hi! Hi! Okay, so right now we are at the beach with the fam bam, and there's people staring at me. But who cares? The beach is really dirty, but it don't matter. We're not swimming anyway. She's writing my name. Why am I holding your iPad?
Because I'm not.
Okay. There's like a marathon or something here today, which is kind of alts because there's like 1,000,001 other people here. Dani Gee. Yeah. We made it and it looks pretty. I'll insert a photo right here because you can't really see it there. Now we have to walk down all the way back to the bottom. And the cousins are waiting for me because I'm so lazy to walk up these stairs. I just realized my cousins are staring at me. And there's someone holding the camera.
I hate snow. Just kidding, I love snow.
I feel like a kid again.
I love snow.
I know.
Do you feel like a kid again?
Because it's...
Me? No. They look like snow. Do I?
Got it?
Someone's flying a kite.
To the right, watch it pass by. This is the result of a typical student. I'm studying at the beach. Oh, ice cream.
We're gonna get a single plane.
We got ice cream. She's like halfway done. She's such a kid. And this one got a sundae. Oh, really? What's up? Hi. She jumped off the cliff thing and we almost died. That's our cousin.
We love them so much.
Okay, I might as well show you the view now because like we haven't even done that. There's an ice cream truck.
I have.
And then we jumped off. Let me sort myself out. Jumped off that thing there. And it was very scary.
It doesn't look that tall, but it is scary.
It was very scary.
I've done it when I was 5.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna brag about that.
Hi! We're vlogging for my channel!
Oh, cool!
Hi. Look at this. What is happening? What is... I think we're here.
We're gonna go on an adventure over there. There's a secret stone staircase. I think you broke my camera, guys.
Oops. Does this boardwalk remind you of the... What's that American boardwalk? Where all the rides are? Is it... No, San Diego? San Diego
Yeah,
boardwalk?
but I know what you're talking about. The
Is it?
boardwalk and then it has all this carnival.
Yeah, I don't know. Does that remind you of the San Diego? Is it San Diego? I feel like it's not San Diego.
LA. I think
No,
LA.
it's not. No. I thought I heard Chinese people. We are done for today's vlog. Tired.
First vlog for ages.
What?
It's been your first vlog in ages.
I know, my first vlog in a year. I'm gonna try and be consistent with my occasional vlogs. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, she don't want to give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And we will go now. Bye.